Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about relay board Assy Ft900 Clen for Hobart part #00-91947200002. The relay board Assy Ft900 Clen for Hobart part #00-91947200002 is a replacement part for Hobart commercial kitchen equipment. It is a relay board assembly that includes the Ft900 relay board and Clen components. The Ft900 relay board is a printed circuit board that contains relays and other components used to control the operation of the equipment. The CLE and Clen components are two separate circuit boards that are connected to the Ft900 relay board. They provide additional control functions, such as controlling temperature, timing, and other. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a faulty relay board in a Hobart Ft900 dishwasher. It is designed to restore the dishwasher's ability to properly heat water and cycle through its cleaning cycles. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the Hobart appliance. 2. Remove the screws that secure the control panel to the appliance and remove the panel. 3. Locate the existing relay board and disconnect all wires connected to it. 4. Remove any mounting screws that secure the existing relay board in place and remove it from the appliance. 5. Install the new relay board in place of the old one, making sure to line up all mounting holes with those on the appliance frame. 6. Securely fasten the new relay board in place with any mounting screws that were removed. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.